Lung 4 is located on your upper arm. To locate lung 4, find the end of your armpit, then find the point that is the width of one hand below that, like this. Here's the armpit, and here is the width of one hand at this red dot. Now you're going to be on your biceps muscle. Move around your biceps muscle till you're in a depression between the muscle and the bone, like this. Right here at this red star. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is lung 4. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, which is an acupressure instrument, it might look like this. Now find and activate lung 4 on your other arm.